Hey everyone, I had to share this tip that has helped us to keep our pool free from algae, especially after those rainstorms that love to turn it green. We tried this simple addition last summer and it made a huge difference. It's easy to use and easy to find, plus it lasts all summer. I'll show you how to use it straight from the box and also include an Amazon link if you want to check it out. Alright, so utilizing this product's really easy. Now you can tell the filter is off. So I'm going to come over here and it's going to eventually go into the filter pump itself. But I like it kind of in the filter pump. But to do that, I'm going to have to close off the water flow. So I've got this little cap with this skimmer that I've installed. Makes it very easy to screw in and seal off this water. So let me do that and then I'll show you. Alright, so now that's tight in there, and I'm going to come over here to my other side and I'm going to just turn this valve so it's off. Now I'm going to come down here and open this. Alright, so here it is. Once I've opened it, has a little bit of grass and things inside there. I can definitely clean it out a little bit, put it back in place. But it's very, very easy. All you do, very simple, take it, drop it in. You see right now, if I seal it up, there'll be air in there. I'm going to open up the valve over here just a little bit, so you tell what happens. But as you can see, it's just a very slow water flow coming out. So you can tell it's all the way full to the top with water. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this lid back on there. I gotta put it in a place I can turn it, and then I can screw it tight. If there was too much water pressure, it wouldn't let me do that. And that's all there is to it. It's now installed. I'll go ahead and turn everything back on. So again, I'm gonna unlock it all the way. I'm going to come over here to where this plug was. I'm going to take this plug out. Put the skimmer basket back in place. This cover back on. And then I'll turn it on and you'll be able to see. Sorry, my lid's a little cloudy, but it's in there, and the water will just flow past it and help keep it from turning green, helping keep your water nice and blue. You can get this product at several locations. Good news is it's easy to grab. I will put an Amazon link in the description. Make sure you select the one that's the right number of gallons for your pool. This isn't sponsored or anything. I just wanted to share what worked for me. My goal is always to share what helps, try to make it easier for you. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share it with some friends, and just be on the lookout for more helpful pool tips and easy DIY hacks on my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. Talk to you soon. Bye.